This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Got the water off downstairs. I gotta hook up this drain yet. I did put this in the other day, a while ago. I did a nice job on the tile. I'm gonna change this. I think I'm gonna come straight out with it. Put a valve right here. I don't know why they had that like that. Put a new valve on there. Gotta watch out, this is all threaded brass. I don't know if it's even gonna want to come off. I got the water off, so should get a little bit of water coming out, but not a lot. A little rough on here. It's kind of rough. They said that's all chrome. It's gonna work out good for me. We might even have a new one of them in the truck. We'll put a new one on there for him. He's gonna have to repaint that and do something about that in the back there. Half-inch copper, same as 3/8 IPS. Put some Teflon on there clockwise. That's how you want to put that stuff on there clockwise. It's the Gorilla Tape. That's the Gorilla Tape. 3/8 IPS by 3/8 compression. Put a new valve on there for him. Things on there pretty good, Mama. Well, there we go. Hopefully that doesn't hit the toilet. We'll have to see. We'll put the toilet on before we turn the water on. Maybe that's why they had the double elbows on there. It does look a lot better like that, straight out. Should be over 6 inches is what it's supposed to be. We'll put the toilet on it and see what it says. Adjustable. I can adjust them later.
You want to line them up right where you want them, right in the middle. I'll put the toilet on and see what it looks like. It's like 11.5-inch rough, so I got a 12-inch rough toilet. Should be alright. The regular wax, I don't like the one with the funnel. That's what I like, just the cheapy wax. It worked out good. I just have to put the bolts on it. Well, this is adjustable down if you need to. That's why I like these. The old ones you had to cut, right? These are easier to operate. You got to put this in a certain way. It says up on it. Well, before I tighten them bottom ones up, I want to put the tank on. This does say this side up. See the way the lip is? That goes up like that. And you can see how this is adjustable down. And before I tighten the bottom up final, we'll get the tank on there, make sure that that's square with the wall before I do the final tightening. But I think that's going to work out better like that. Put the tank on. This is a Gerber. There should be two rubbers that go in the back there. You see the two rubbers you're going to put in the back there. Using these, they seem to be decent. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can tighten up you can put extra nuts on the bottom. I like to put this thing straight through and just put the nut on the very bottom. The reason being is if there's ever an issue, you can get there and cut that with a saw to get these off. If you get that nut in there, it makes it difficult. That's what I do. That's how I do it. You can put a nut underneath too if you want, tighten it up, but that's not what I do. It makes it harder to cut if you ever got to cut them off, right? So, don't be stuck on stupid. You can wiggle it back and forth a lot of times and get it close. You want to wiggle the tank and make sure you torque it down evenly too. How I usually tighten these up is I just use this to get the final. sure it's square and we'll tighten this up. What I'm gonna do is a seat. What I'm gonna do is put this on here like this, and then we'll fill it. We'll try it out, what it's like. I did put the seat on already, so I'll turn the water back on and give it the old Bundy. See how it works. Should need a toilet in this place. The toilet. Could always turn the water back off. I got other stuff to do. I want to just see how the toilet fills. We'll turn the water back on. I didn't put the seat on it. Slow close. Let's see what's going on with the... Done.